The 12-volt battery for the Lexus CT200H is located in the trunk, so we'll open the hatch. It is on the passenger side over here. We'll remove the floor mat if you have one. I've folded down the seats so that I can just move everything over there. Otherwise, you have to set it on the ground. The next step is to remove this false floor. There's a handle with a latch right here that you pull. Remove this. We'll set it up there. We can now remove the foam tool insert. We need to remove this triangular panel and then this storage cubby below. And now we have access to the 12-volt battery right here. So here is the 12-volt battery down in the well here. To get better access to the top terminals, we'll remove this panel right here. It has 2 tabs on the top here. Press one, gently press the other, and it just comes out. And there we have